Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our project video. We are going to demonstrate a game which is called Sudoku, and we are using Python to make the game. And I am here, Jian Mohammad Afiq Amin, with you along with my friend Khan Nasik Sami and Soyib Ahmed. We are three in our group. So for the introduction part, here we have written a simple introduction about why we use Python in this game and what is a Sudoku game actually looks like. So we are planning to make a game named Sudoku using Python script. The classic Sudoku game involves a grid of 81 squares. The grid is divided into 9 blocks, each containing 9 squares. So let me give you a simple pictures of the Sudoku game. So this is a Sudoku game looks like. You can see here is 9 boxes and each box contains 9 digits from 0 to 9. So eventually in total there will be 81 digits, 81 squares. So the rules of the game is you have to fill these boxes, and each digit will come once in a row and in a column and also in a box. Suppose in this box there is already 5 in the box, so you cannot put 5 again in this box. Eventually you cannot put 5 in this row and in this column and in this row, because 5 is already there. So you have to place something that is not in the box, that is not in that row, and that is not in the column. So after eventually going with this, you have to put the digit in the box and fill up the boxes, and after that and finally you will gain your result expected output actually. So it's a time consuming game, so you need to fill the game, you need to finish the game with times, and after that it will show how much time you have taken to finish the game. So here is the rules of algorithm, what we have declared and why we use this. So it's a 9 into 9 Sudoku, as you all know already, and this is the step 1 2 3, that means the algorithm, how you use this code. And for the flowchart part, here is we have made a simple flowchart of starting and ending of this game, how to start and how to end the game. So if any kind of error, what to do and what is the solutions. So let me just take you to the compiler, because we have already run the code, copy the code and already place it here. So as you can see, we have placed the code here. So now we am going to show you how it will work. So if I place the run button, so as you can see here, it comes our project, our Python game. So here it has 9 boxes, as we have already told. So 81 digits is there. So the game is not started yet. So to start the game we have to press P. So if I want to press the P, after pressing P, you can see that the game has started with time. So now this boxes which is 0, you have to fill this 0 with another digit, and this one 2, that means it's already in the box. So suppose for the first one I have to I want to place 2 in this box. I have pressed 2, but it shows already in row 2, that means 2 is already there. So you cannot you cannot put 2 in this box, so you have to put something that is not here. Suppose I am going to press 1, so I have pressed 1 for this box, but 1 is already in this column, so it has stayed already in column 1, so you cannot press 1 also. So what about 3? If I want to press 3, no, 3 is already in column 3, that means 3 is already in this column, so you cannot press 3. What about 7 8 9? Okay, I am just going to put 6. Okay, 6 is not there, so you can see that I have already put 6. So similarly in this box there is no 1. So for the second or middle one, I want to press 1. So it already shows that 1 is in row 1, that means 1 is already in this row, so I cannot put 1 in this box. So like this, you have to fill all the column, all the boxes, and eventually after putting every digit incorrectly, you will find something like this. Okay, let me just try again. You will find something like this. As you can see, 617 is now filled up. So it's a time consuming game, as I have already said, to use, so I cannot play all the games for the video. So suppose I want to play the game again, so you have to just press the R button, so it will take you to the game, that means the reset one. So after eventually you will find the game from the first, and again you have to press P to start the game, and then you have to solve it, use the rules and regulations. By solving it, after the when you have finished, you will find something like this. So here is the answer. So if you press the S means solve, so you will get the answer. So for the code, we have used several class, several library documents, etc. for our project, and eventually we have got this Python game. So our teammate has worked very well and worked hard for the project. So that's all from us. I'm taking you with the code, and here is also, you can see that after the code we have giving some screenshot of our project, and also the output and some references. So thank you very much from our group. I am Muhammad Afiq Jian along with Sami and Soyib. Thank you. So assalamu alaikum.